How to find time zone settings on BeReal. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find time zone settings on BeReal. First open BeReal and then click here on your profile, and after that click these 3 points in the top corner, and now once you're here just scroll down until you find time zone. Here is it, click on it. And that's it. As you see here, you can manage your time zone. Just select any time zone you want and then click save and it will be saved, and that's it. Just go back. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.